How to turn on Bluetooth on Windows 11. In this video, I'll show you how to turn on Bluetooth on Windows 11 so you can connect wireless devices to your PC or laptop. First, click the Start button on the taskbar and open Settings. You can also use Windows Search, type Settings, and open it from the results. In Settings, click Bluetooth and Devices from the left sidebar. At the top of this page, you'll see the Bluetooth switch. If Bluetooth is turned off, click the switch to turn it on. Once Bluetooth is enabled, your Windows 11 PC can connect to nearby Bluetooth devices. To connect a new device, click Add Device, then select Bluetooth. Windows will search for nearby devices. Select the device you want to connect and follow the on-screen instructions to complete the pairing. Also, if the Bluetooth option isn't showing in Settings, your computer may not have built-in Bluetooth, or you may need to install or update the Bluetooth driver. That's it. That's how to turn on Bluetooth and connect a Bluetooth device on Windows 11. If you found this tutorial helpful, also make sure to click like, share, and subscribe for more Windows 11 tips, Bluetooth tutorials, device setup guides, and easy tech how-to videos.